What's going on, YouTube? Okay, so I'm coming at you guys with a new mod today. It's something that I think all of these cars should have stock. I mean, maybe not the lower trim levels, but I know a sport's not a really high trim level, but it's middle of the road. But anyways, it's something that it definitely should come with that it doesn't, and that would be fog lights. So what I did, there's some aftermarket kits out there now. There's some, like, they have some off-road looking ones. There's just some different lights that you can get. There's ones that are kind of hokey with the daytime running light and stuff. I'm not all about that. I like clean OEM plus stuff. So what I did, I found factory Honda fog lights, LEDs. They're from a CRV. Found them on eBay for about $100. And they fit. So these came with a bracket you had to take off and stuff, but here, I'll click them on. And then I'll kind of show you how I wired them up, because the factory wiring and stuff's kind of expensive. Real quick, that is the only bad thing. That is not a factory looking switch. I'm gonna get something better, but that's what came with the wiring harness I got. So the cool thing is you can turn them on independently of the headlights and stuff. So they've got a nice, real sharp cutoff. Of course, I start recording and the wind picks up. So I think they look great here. I'm gonna hop back in. Beautiful day here in Shawnee, Kansas. You can see I'm like a couple miles from my house, so pretty part of the state. Okay, so I'll go home and I will show you the connectors and the harness I got, and I'll link everything in the description below. One thing I will tell you is I tried to do it without taking the bumper off. I succeeded, but you can see my arm is all scratched up. I've got thicker arms and bigger hands and stuff anyways, but I mean, it got me real good. So sit tight, I'll run home and I'll show you the harness I used, the connectors I use, link everything below, and I'll show you some of the underhood wiring and stuff too. So sit tight and I will be back in a few. Okay, just pulled in here to the garage. So I've still got all my mess from working on this, but you can see they match the headlight color real well. And here's the cool thing about how I wired them is you can run them with your high beams if you want. You can run them with no headlights on if you want. The only thing that sucks is if you forget to turn them off, they'll stay on. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna do add a fuse and run them to something that's only on with the key. I haven't decided which fuse yet. So let me pull this the rest of the way in and I'll show you what I did. Okay, so like I said, for now, I've just got the wiring harness hooked up to the battery. Goes down, just like wiring anything up. Here's the part I was gonna show you guys, and I will throw a link to both of these in the description, and I'll throw up a screenshot of what I ordered on Amazon and Rock Auto. So the harness I used, just a generic deal off of Amazon. It's got a nice switch. I do like that switch. And then here's the important part. So these little connectors from Honda, or this little harness thing from Honda, is kind of pricey. These are Motorcraft. So yeah, they're a Ford product. They're actually for an airbag sensor, pigtail or something, but they're the exact same connectors as the fog lights. So those were like 14 bucks each. And then I think the wiring harness was 10 or 15 Prime from Amazon. So free shipping, got here quick. So I want to say all in with the lights, I'm probably 140. If you want to be a little, conservative and make sure you have, everything 150, let's say you can get everything for, because I found their OEM CRV fog lights, found them on eBay, and they were used. They came from, I don't know, one of the Carolinas. They got here pretty quick. So yeah, it's all OEM stuff. I'll show you one more thing. And like I said, if you've ever wired anything up before, pretty easy. So, hope the headlights clicked on too. You can kind of see down there by the diaper bag, but they've got a real nice cutoff, nice light spread. So, anyways, excuse the mess. Pretty excited to see them at night. So, I don't know. Them being OEM, I don't know how bright they'll be, but better than nothing. And then I ordered Jet's Vinyl, the yellow fog light kit. So I'm going to put that on there too, like the yellow film or whatever that goes over them. So yeah, hope you guys like what you see and enjoy these. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. They were super easy to wire up. The biggest thing I can tell you is take off the bumper. It'll make your life a whole heck of a lot easier. So I will, after this, I will throw up, or I'll put some screenshots of what I ordered, and then I'll put links in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed and have a great day.